With the unremovable lens housing on GoPro's newest flagship camera, the Hero 8, it's more important than before to protect the housing so as to not chip or crack it, either of which will render the camera pretty much useless with an expensive GoPro repair bill, so the first step should be lens protection. If you're looking to use your Hero 8 in extremely muddy, dusty or dirty environments or even deep underwater, then the GoPro protective housing will be what you need. Great overall camera protection. But if, like me, you want to maintain that smaller profile, considering the camera is pretty rugged as it is, then we need to look at lens protection in the form of this, tempered glass. Now GoPro do have their own tempered glass protection, but at less than half the price I decided to opt for a cheaper third-party version, which should provide the exact same results regardless. Specifically designed for the Hero 8 in the kit, along with some basic application instructions, we received 2 complete packs of tempered glass protectors, each containing a front lens protector, a rear screen protector, and everything we need to fit them, such as wet and dry cloths, and a cleaning cloth for when we're done. This is pretty much what we'd receive with most similar kits out there, of which there are many, and should do the same job as GoPro's, albeit at a much lower cost. We begin by removing one of the wet alcohol wipes and thoroughly cleaning the lens cover, followed by the same process with dry paper. This will remove any dust and fingerprints, leaving a crystal clear surface to work on. Now we can peel off the protective layer of the screen protector, being careful to handle from the edges so as to not get any fingerprints on the sticky side, after which we align the edge to one side of the lens and slowly lower it onto the surface. Finally, we gently squeeze the remaining air bubbles with the cleaning cloth. And that's it, lens screen protector applied. This should help protect the main lens cover from any chips or cracks, and even if we do get any, there's that second protector that can be applied in its place. Finally, we repeat the same process to apply the rear tempered glass protector too. Not as vital as the front, but it's supplied in the package, so why not? Protecting the camera and lens from dust, oil, fingerprints, high impact drops, scratches or bumps, the premium quality tempered glass protection is only 0.3mm thick, so you'll still get a great viewing experience with low reflection too. It does affect the touch sensitivity somewhat when it comes to the rear screen with a slightly firmer press needed, but it's worth it over the cost of a cracked display. Any more than this and you'll want that protective housing, but for non-extreme use, application of lens and screen protectors is highly recommended.